Hey, hello and welcome. This video I'm going to show you how to exactly create AI animated photo using Chat GPT, like AI art, AI image, text to image, text to art, etc. etc. So if you're a beginner, don't worry, keep watch full video, don't skip any second because every second are very important. At first, I'm going to Chat GPT. You know, Chat GPT is a number one AI tools right now in the world. It's absolutely free. You need to log in chat.openai.com. Then you see this is a dashboard. Then type right jungle. Just wait a few seconds. Chat GPT write full prompt for us in just 1 or 2 seconds. So I copy first this one. Then I'm going to Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai is a text to image, text to AI art and generator. It's absolutely free plan here. When you create an account, you got 150 credit. It's absolutely free every day. Then I'm going to you need to log in here. Then when you log in, you see this is the dashboard. Just click AI image generation. Then you can see this is a lots of option. Just click here. Just generate what type of size you need right now. Example of I choose default. So this is a default. I have no negative prompt. Just generation. Just click generate. Wait few seconds. Otherwise, here is the lots of option. You can choose each by each, and you can see this is a magic of this tool. Wow, you can see this guy alone in a jungle. And if you want to example of such as another one, just click generate. Then what? Few seconds. Wow, this is a really cool and beautiful. So if you want to download this image, just click here for download. Just just 1 second. So if you want to edit some option, just click here. There are lots of options. You can see. So I want to click another one. Example of a woman in red dress. Just click prompt. Wow, this is so nice. So if you want to other tutorial about this topic, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. Thank you. See you again.